Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. So today I will be sharing a very simple but adorable DIY. All the items are from the Dollar Tree. So to begin, I have 2 of the Happy Harvest red truck decor signs. I have a package of the gigantic craft sticks by Crafty Kids. I have this table decor box. Now if you can't find this particular one, the Dollar Tree carries many different sizes of these types of decor boxes. Just pick up any one that you can come across if you would like to complete this project for yourself. And I also have some black and red acrylic paint. The only other things I will be using is my hot glue gun and also an X-Acto knife, a really sharp one so that I can cut into the sign and the gigantic craft sticks. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off, I'm using my sharp X-Acto knife and I'm just going to cut one of the red truck decor signs. Now I'm going to cut along this part here so that I have only the back of the truck. I'm going to take my gigantic craft sticks and I'm going to cut 4 the same size as the side, because the box here is going to act as the back of the red truck, and I want to make a couple of rails going up the side so that I can add things inside and they won't fall out. So I will be placing 2 on the one side and then 2 on the other side, and then I will cut 1 strip to go in the center to hold the popsicle sticks or the gigantic craft sticks together. And then I will glue those onto the inside of this decor box. So I have my 4 side pieces and then the 2 pieces that I will place in the center to hold the side pieces up, and then the bottom of that piece will be glued to the inside of this decor box. But before I glue everything together, I want to go ahead and paint my sides here of the box red, and then I want to paint the sticks here in black. So I'll do that first and then I'll glue everything together. So my pieces have dried and I'm going to start assembling the back of the truck. So I'm going to take my full red truck decor sign. Now I did leave the jute twine through the top because this could be a piece that could be hung on the door as well if I want to use it in that way, or I could just leave it sitting on a table. So I'm going to take my decor box and I'm going to glue it just along the bottom here, just right below the Happy Harvest. The cut decor sign, I'm just going to glue it to the front of the box here, just like that. My giant craft sticks here, I'm just going to start gluing them down to make up the side of the truck. So I'm just going to take the center one and glue it to the side, and then I will glue the other two to the center popsicle stick. So my truck is now put together, and all I have left to do is fill the back of the truck. So I'm going to do that and show you what it looks like once it is all decorated. All right, everyone, so here is my Dollar Tree Red Truck Happy Harvest Fall Decor piece. And how adorable does this look? I absolutely love this. It was very inexpensive to make, very easy and super quick to put it together, and I love it. I have it here on my table. I also showed you as well what it looked like hung up on my door. Now, if I did hang it up on the door, I would have hung it lower, but that is a command strip that I already have to hang a wreath that I have on there. But you could use this piece in so many ways. I have it with some Dollar Tree items displayed on the inside, a black and white pumpkin. These are the pumpkins that have the clips on them, the Dollar Tree tea light candle holder, and then the Dollar Tree pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes decor piece, as well as the Excelsior at the bottom, just to look like hay. So everything Dollar Tree, and I love it. I absolutely love it. But you could definitely use this also in a bathroom to hold some face towels or your soaps and creams. You could also place this on a buffet if you had some square bowls or round ones that were a little bit smaller that would fit in here, just to place some goodies in there, or even have some burlap sacks to hold some candy, or maybe some cookies or treats that were wrapped up in some inside of some bags and then twist tied, just to have a really cute display piece that you could put on a buffet. Really, there's so many different ways, but again, this was a very inexpensive piece to make, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Well guys, that will do it for this DIY. I had so much fun making this, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share the video if you can, it greatly helps my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you did. As always guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.